Hello guys, so crypto. I'm talking to you during the weekend because there is something very important I'd like to discuss. Is the total crypto market cap, guys. It is not looking good. Okay, it's either a great opportunity to buy something or it's a good last chance. If you're still in alts, it basically just get out. Okay, basically what the total crypto market cap is basically the representation of the whole crypto market. All the market caps combined together, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins together combined create the total crypto market cap, which at the minute sits at $3.13 trillion. And right now we're in a very spooky position, because where we at is basically on the daily we sit on the 200 moving average. It's a big support. I'm gonna zoom it to you. Basically this is where the level is, and currently on the daily this level is at 3.1, so we're not that far away from reaching this point. Okay, we either gonna get a massive bounce or we gonna have a problem, guys. So with Bitcoin, what it means, we most likely, if we're gonna break this level on the total market cap, okay, if we're gonna break this level, how far can we go? If we draw a Fibonacci from this low right here to the top of the move, the 50% retracement sits at 2.9 trillion. And what it means, basically, if you look at the Bitcoin is gonna come back all the way to 90, I think like 96k. That's the same right here, top to bottom. Yeah, around here, around 93k. Just imagine, okay, we sit at 102k. Just imagine what's gonna happen if Bitcoin breaks 100k, and then imagine what's gonna happen if Bitcoin moves to 93k. And once we're gonna break this level, okay, we're talking on the daily, guys. Once we break those this 200 moving average, okay, if we break below this is no longer our support. This is gonna be the resistance. So now, wherever we're gonna bounce, whether it's here at 93k or somewhere in the golden pocket, which currently sits at 88, 87, let's say we're gonna bounce here, okay, or even bounce there, we're gonna come back and we're gonna have to test this. Who's gonna buy Bitcoin to push us through? This is the question I'm asking myself, and I want you to think about. I'm not saying we will not, okay? I'm saying is ask yourself this question. What's gonna happen to your bags if we drop to 96 or even lower, 93 or even 88k on Bitcoin? The altcoins, just to give you an idea, if we drop on Bitcoin to 93k, Solana's gonna be, I wanna say, at $100 or maybe even 90. Ethereum is gonna go probably back to, actually let's measure it, guys. Where's the measuring tool? If we, okay, so to the support is 6%, to the 50% retracement that's 9%. Okay, if you're gonna drop 90%, sorry, 9%, Solana is gonna be testing this support level right here. So that's like 23% move. We're gonna be sitting at 90, 99 bucks, $100. Guys, if you're still in altcoins, just be careful. I'm trying to warn you, okay? The total crypto market cap, that's not something you want to mess up with, because it means, like, whenever the crypto market cap is losing its value, so if it's red, it means the money goes away from crypto, okay? So they're not even in the stable coins, they're not in any asset, not in Bitcoin. That money just goes away. That money is no longer in crypto. If that's gonna happen to the total crypto market cap, just imagine what's gonna happen to altcoins. I mean, look at others. Others are already struggling. They below this resistance right here, okay? This zigzag line, this is the indicator I'm using, by the way. They already below this. If you look at the total, we just below, okay, and with the Bitcoin we also just slightly below. Others, and basically altcoins, they're gonna suffer a lot. And that's not the only evidence that points to basically everything going down. Like oil is another one. Gold is on the race. Guys, it's no joke, okay? If the total is the one I'm looking at right now, and if we're not gonna bounce here, I think that's it. That's it for at least a month or two, or maybe that's gonna be even a bear market from this point. So just mark this on your charts, okay? It's total, and it's gonna say crypto total market cap. So if you want to get this chart, basically you click on the X at symbol, type in total, and it's the first one at the top, the crypto cap total market cap. Okay, if you're gonna lose this line on the daily, oh, that's a big trouble, big trouble. Like I just wonder what the YouTube is gonna be saying. They're gonna be like, yeah, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, and you're just gonna keep going lower and lower and lower. Everything's gonna get, I'm sorry for my language, but everything's gonna get fucked. Another thing is USDC dominance, and that's basically the representation of all the stable coins. So whenever this one goes up, that means people selling assets like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, shitcoins, etc. Okay, they selling those assets and they convert them into USDT, and this one is on the rise as well. So if this one is going up, this one is almost at 5%. That's like another red flag. That suggests people selling asset move to the USDT. Okay, that's another compelling evidence that we are in deep trouble. And this one, if that was a coin, I'll probably just buy it on the retest. Okay, it's looking really bullish, and it's not really good for crypto. Sorry, I'm laughing, but it's nothing to be laughing about, because I'm only laughing because all the YouTubers saying like, yeah, just buy altcoins, you know, this is your last chance. Like, those people gonna get you broke, guys. So you're gonna have to flip-flop and adapt to the market that we playing with. Okay, this market is not. This is not a buying opportunity. This is a red flag that a big, huge flash out, either flash out or bearish trend is about to happen. So just be careful, okay? One more time, just to quickly remind you, total market cap, what you want to watch at is the 3.1. If we close below, be super careful, okay? Another one, Bitcoin dominant, Bitcoin, you want to see a bounce from the worst case scenario, 96k, okay? And what was the last one I was discussing? That's it, guys. If you want to have those informations straight away, because it takes me ages to do a YouTube video, in Discord, this is the free Discord, feel free to join. We do have a lot of crypto and stocks. We post signals for perp trading, basically the general market updates. For VIPs, we do guide you by hand as well. Like, we give you some extra attention, just show you how to play this market, because guys, to be honest, it's not easy to be in crypto, especially recently. The market just flip-flops all the time, and if you haven't got time to put the hours in to research what the market is about to do, it's hard. That's why I'm always asking you guys, join the Discord. You don't have to become the VIP. You can be a free member. You will still get the signals. You will still get the market updates. Just join, have a community. It's much easier to do it with other people who also have the same problems as you, okay? I'm trying to solve your issue right here. So don't listen to the YouTubers that say it's the last chance to buy, because they're gonna basically put you in a tough spot and you're gonna lose all your money. Guys, just remember, this is not a financial advice. Yeah, this is crypto. You can lose all your money. Until the next one. Bye.